In this exercise, you shall be given a piece of tendon and you will be required to repeat this piece of tendon. Here you can see a tendon. The first step is to divide the tendon with the help of scissors. Be very careful while dividing and holding the tendon, as holding it too tightly with the help of the forceps can crush the tendon. One of the ways in which we can handle these tendons is with the help of surgical needles. Here you can see the tendon being manipulated with the help of surgical needles. If you look closely at the cut edge of this tendon, it is not actually rounded but oval or kidney shaped. Now we shall start our repair. This repair is known as the Kettle's repair. Taking a Prolene suture on a round body needle, the first bite is taken from the edge, going through the tendon and coming out 1.5 centimeter away from the edge. The second bite is taken in a transverse fashion from where the first suture came out, and the loop pulled. Again, the third bite is taken from inside the tendon, bringing it out through the edge. This repair kind of resembles the letter U in the alphabets. The same procedure is done on the other side. And once the repair has been done, the loops are pulled and a knot tied, which should lie between the two tendons. In order to facilitate the closure, two needles are applied to the tendons, which are placed into the tissues so that the tendon does not move while pulling the threads. Now both the tendons are approximated. Here you can see the knot being tied. The knot is going between the two edges of the tendon. The suture is divided. The second part of the repair consists of applying a continuous layer of running suture around the tendon edges. Here you can see a Prolene suture on a round body needle being applied to the edge of the stitch. The bite should not be more than 2 millimeters from the edges. After taking the bite, a knot is being applied. Now, as I had mentioned earlier, a running suture is being applied, going all around the tendon edges. Once you've reached the first part from where you started, you shall tie the two ends of the suture together and cut it. Here you can see the suture being cut. You can examine the repaired tendon with the help of the same needles. Thank you.